Welcome to Bootstrap 5. Bootstrap is a CSS framework which is used to create a website interface in an easy way, which includes typography, text colors, background color, padding, containers, etc. These concepts earlier we used to achieve by using CSS. Here you need not to use CSS. This all can be achieved by using the Bootstrap classes. So let's go with the practical approach. Let me create a workspace for the Bootstrap. Maybe let's go here. Uh, E drive. I'm going to go with the E drive, and then where I have a Bootstrap and where I'm opening the workspace. So this is the folder, the path I created to store all my Bootstrap files. Let's say the command prompt. So let me say in the path cmd, it will open the command prompt where I'm going to type code space dot. When I say this, it will open the Visual Studio editor for me where I can have all my Bootstrap files. So here I'm going to have the new file. I'm going to create a new file. Let's say Explorer here, and then new file I'm going to create. My new file name is going to be index01.html. This is my new file, and here just type HTML. When you say, it gives a code template. uh, in this you may choose HTML5. Here you will get to see the skeleton of HTML. So in this I'm going to add a tag, h1 tag, where I'm going to say welcome to Bootstrap. Welcome to Bootstrap. Yes, welcome to Bootstrap, I said. So this has to be saved. The shortcut key is Control S. You may also go with the file and you will find the shortcut key here, Control S. So I saved it. Now to execute this file, what we can do, right click on the file name and you will find Reveal in File Explorer. So just click here and you will get to see the file. Open this, the HTML file. Okay, you get to see in the browser, welcome to Bootstrap, right? Whatever code we had it. So now let me open the Visual Studio Code as well. So it is kept very adjacent. You can also align the code, maybe, uh, yeah, you can also align it. See, this kind of template, you can use it and you can keep the Visual Studio as well as the browser very adjacent. So let me do some changes in the code. Now I'm going to include Bootstrap 5. 5 I included. So now I need to, as we all know, we need to save this code first and then come to the browser and refresh it. So you get to see the changes here. Let me also add one more changes here. I put the exclamatory mark. So nothing happened. So I need to change first and then refresh it. So the changes, whatever you do it in the code, will reflect in the browser. So let me add one more statement here. Uh, let's say here H2. Let me say this is my first program. This is my first program. I added one more line here. Let's save this and then come back and refresh. Yes. So this is what usually we do. But actually, I wanted it should live update should happen dynamically. It should get update as I add the code to the file, right? Live update I wanted. This could be achieved by using some extension. There are many extensions are there which will help you to update lively in the browser as you do the changes in the code. So just click on this extension. There are few extensions you can find here. That is a live preview or live server, and we also have a live server. Okay, one more extension we have, live server. Live server extension you have. See, just click here and you will find it install. Okay, just when you say install, it will get installed, and you can, this extension will help you for the dynamic update in the browser. And preview also we have, that's I already have installed. And we are having one more live server, 5 live server 5 server, one more server we have. Okay, live server 5 server we have. So I'm using the live server 5 server. I'm using it in my system because live server is not helping me. So I'm using live server 5 server. I'm using it. So let's go to Explorer, right? Let me close this extension. Right click on the index01.html file. See, open with 5 server, which is nothing but live server 5 server. When you type, you get this extension. So open with 5 server. When you give, it opens the data in the another browser, right? So hereafter I'm going to use this browser only. So the earlier browser, I'm going to close it. So this is the new browser where I opened with the 5 server, live server 5 server, right? So let me add the data. One more line I will add here with the p tag. Let me say happy learning. Okay, let me say happy learning. Just typed it. See, automatically it got updated in the browser. I have not even saved. So now I'm going to save it. So I saved it now. It got updated in the browser. So let's add one more line here. Okay. Okay. Maybe let's say uh, welcome to Bootstrap classes. Okay. Welcome to Bootstrap classes. I said welcome to Bootstrap classes. As I complete typing, it's updating in the browser. So you could see the difference before I use the extension, after I use the extension. So this is always advised for the live updates. As we do the modification in the code, it should get update in the browser. Okay, still we have not used the Bootstrap classes here, yet to use the Bootstrap classes. So here installation of the Bootstrap can be done in different ways. One is you can install the Bootstrap Studio, which is a paid version. You may also get the student version with the minimum support. Okay, then another method through the content delivery network, we get online, we can make use of the Bootstrap classes. So I'm going to show you how we can make use of the Bootstrap classes in the via content delivery network. Okay, so for that, let's go to the browser first. Okay, let me expand this browser. Let's go to the browser and type Bootstrap. Okay, type Bootstrap. When you type Bootstrap, the first link is appearing, getbootstrap.com. Just click on getbootstrap.com and then scroll down. You get include via CDN. CDN is nothing but it is a content delivery network, okay, through which we are going to use the Bootstrap. And one more method, install via package manager. So this is another approach. Okay, I'm going to show you all through via CDN. Okay, so here you will find two links. One is a link and then another one is script tag. Through link tag and then script tag, both you must bring it to the HTML file. Both you must bring it to the HTML file. Maybe let me copy the link tag, this which has copied, right, which I copied, and I'm going to come to Bootstrap, and this should be placed within head tag. After title tag, within head tag you have to place it. Okay, then come back to the CDN, and here script tag, copy the script tag. It should be placed within the body tag. It should be placed within the body tag. Let me place it in the beginning only. Just save it, right? It should be placed in the body tag. We have placed it. Now let me restore this, and this is the browser where we get to see our data, right? Now you can see some difference. Okay, some difference you can see here. Let me save this job. You can see some little difference. You can see where I need to. Okay, let me close this. Yeah. So here you can see it's a little difference. You can see this is how we can bring the Bootstrap classes. Maybe I'll comment this line. I'll comment this line. Shift A. Okay. I commented this line. You can see the difference. Maybe one more line also I will comment here. Let's say the script line. Shift Alt A. Okay, multiple lines can be commented. See, now you can see how it appears. Okay, now if I remove this comment, how it appears, little difference you can see. Okay, a little difference you can see here. See, it has little adjustment is happening here, right? So that's what the Bootstrap classes. So these are the basic statements which has to be there to make use of bootstraps. Okay, so little changes you can see here. Thank you.